So this question just requires a little bit of algebra. So we're going to start off with our ideal gas law, which I've written in the upper left here, this PV equals nRT. And all of the questions, all the subparts are asking us what happens to the pressure if we change some of these other variables. So I'm going to rearrange this so that I get the pressure on its own on one side. So I'm going to divide both sides by V. So P now is equal to nRT over V. And with algebra, of course, anything you do to one side of the equation, you have to do to the other side. So as we kind of go through each of these steps one by one, so if we look at the first one, if we are multiplying the temperature by 3, well, the temperature is on